we'll be exploring this Singhgarh Fort today near Pune. It's 25 kilometers from Pune. And my name is Prabla Eraz and you're watching Travel Proton. So we'll go ahead and we'll see the place. And if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe and like the video and share as well. So if you want a place near Pune that is real fun with friends, the thrill of adventure, adrenaline rush of adventure, and a hangout place if you're a couple, if you're a family, this place fits all. This is the gate, this is the entrance. We climbed the stairs and I'm too tired now, and we'll go inside and check out. But you can see the view from here, it's amazing, it's breathtaking. So it is a one place that fits all of your needs, and the best time to visit in monsoon. And if you are coming in summertime, start early because there's a lot of sun and it's so sunny out here after 11-12 o'clock. So it's better to start early. We are in the Singhgarh and this fort is located in the Sahyadri Hills near 25 kilometers from Pune. And it was previously called Kondana Fort and then name changed to Singhgarh. And it was said to be built in around 1360. We are inside the fort and there are a lot of things. There is a Kalyani Darwaza, then there is a temple out there, and there is a mesmerizing view from the top. Inside this magnificent fort, and this is the Topkhana. And imagine the days when King fought battle. Shivaji, he fought the battle in around 1670s, and since then this Pune fort in Singhgarh belongs to Marathas. So there were some times when the Mughal has won the battle as well, but finally the fort was captured by Marathas only. And you can have a look this side. This is the Topkhana. Now we climbed up. This is Kondareshwar Mandir, and there are two Nandis here, and there's a great view from here. And I'm here with my friends. So, hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi. Are now on the top of the fort, and we are around 1300 feet above the sea level and around 760 feet above the ground level. And you would be amazed to know that the view from here is amazing. It's like if you wanna feel the heaven, you have to come over here. And imagine the era when kings were here. They must be having a great time and a royal feeling over here when you come over here. So we'll go ahead and we'll check it out. So that was all for today. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, do share and subscribe the YouTube channel, and keep traveling, keep exploring. And I'm happily addicted by this drug of traveling. So be addicted by this drug and keep traveling. See ya, bye bye.